Hi, so we are used to Python now. We are going to click on idle. We are going to open it. Okay. And obviously now I'm going to tell you about the variables and data types and maybe the how to use them, etc. So it is really very easy. Don't get afraid. It is really very easy. So it is something like, say, in your mathematics also you have, say, the value as m. The value of m is 10. So how am I going to write it down in a programming language? I'm going to write it down something like this, m equal to 10. As simple as that. Now I want to find it out that what is the data type of m. So what is the data type means what? Suppose if I'm going to write down type m, it is going to give me class int. The meaning is this is the data type. Okay. So this data type is something like when you talk about the data type, the data is stored of integers, and integers are nothing but the numbers which are stored in that particular variable m. In the same manner, if I write it down here, n equal to 34, and after that if I write it down type n, it is going to give me int. But if suppose after some time if I write it down p equal to 90.6, sorry, 90.8, okay, then if I write down type p, it would be giving me class float. Now what is the meaning of this? Whenever the value contains no decimal point, it is int. Whenever the value contains uh, the decimal point, it is a float. Okay, this we have learned this type of fundamentals in mathematics also. It is not new to us. Okay, now if suppose I want to print the value of m, so I'm going to write it down here, print m. It is giving me m equal to 10. But after some time, if I say m equal to 45, okay, is it going to show me the value as 10, or it is going to show me the value as 45? That we will have to see now. So for that, I'm going to write it down again, print m. And please keep it in mind whenever I give this, okay, see, uh, Python is helping me by giving a help over here. So if I give here print, and then after that if I wait for some time, okay, then it's going to give me the help that what am I supposed to type it down over here. So if I write down here print m, the value would be 45. What is the meaning of this? The value which was there at the beginning was 10 and now it is 45. So 45 has been overwritten by 10 because the recent value of m is 45. So in this manner we understood how to store the value of for any variable in Python. It is as simple as that. If suppose you compare it with some other programming language like maybe Java or C, then it is very difficult there because we have to understand what is the data type, whether it is integer or number, how to store it. Okay, all these things you don't have to worry over here. Python will take care of it. So that is as simple as that. I suppose it was very easy for you to understand. So now, if I want to say that the value of m is 45, I understood. The value of n is 34. Okay, fine. I want to show here m plus n. Okay, and then if I write here print q, it's going to give me the value as 45 plus 34 as 79. So here I try to show the addition of the two numbers. So you must have come to know that it is really very easy whenever you want to add two numbers, and it is your simple program. And this particular type of program is something like it is in a sequential manner. So whenever you are going to learn the programming, you are supposed to understand what is sequential programming, what is conditional programming, and what is iteration. Okay, so when you talk about the sequential, the number of statements you are going to give one after another. Okay, if you are going to talk about the conditional, there are conditions. What do you mean by conditions? For example, if I want to say that if the value of say marks is greater than 30, someone is passed, otherwise someone is failed. So here I am talking about the condition. In the same manner, there is an iteration, but we will talk about it in the later part of the studies and in the later part of the tutorials. So this is all about giving the values, finding the data type, and adding the two numbers. So I suppose it must be really very easy for you. Thank you for listening.